Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in a Toyota Prius key fob. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. You'll find a small slot on the side of your key fob where we'll begin. This process is straightforward, and you'll have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Let's get started with opening the case. Now, take your small flathead screwdriver and insert it into the designated slot on the side of your key fob. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. You should hear a small click as the two halves begin to separate. Continue to carefully pry along the seam until the entire case is open, revealing the internal components. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. It should pop out easily. Next, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until you hear them click and snap securely into place all around the edges. Once reassembled, test your key fob to ensure it's functioning correctly. Remember to check the description below for links to the recommended battery and other helpful products, including a great deal on the O'Ala water bottle. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.